Mm-hmm.
Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Chushi. I'm from Africa, Zambia, and I'm in the city of Russia called Yakutsk.
What do you think about Yakutsk?
Yakutsk, it is very cold. Yeah, it's a very cold city where people live.
What do you think about cold in Yakutia?
Wow, this place is cold. Despite it being cold, people are warm, of course. Yeah.
Why are you here?
I'm here because of studies. I came here from Zambia because I got a scholarship from the government. I'm studying medicine.
Mm. Do you like snow, winter?
Of course, because I've been here for the past 7 years. I enjoy playing in snow. Of course, when it is minus 50, no. Minus 30, 35, yeah, I enjoy it.
What do you think about Yakut summer, if it compare with African summer?
African summer, even here, it is hot sometimes, but compared to our summer, because in my country there are certain places like when it is summer, people they sleep outside because inside it is very hot. So here it's relatively normal. Yeah.
Will you miss about snow in and cold in Yakutia when you will go?
Of course, because snow has become part of me, and winter, of course, leaving it is going to be very sad, but there's nothing that I can do. Probably I'll be coming back to visit Russia because Russia is like a home to me now.
Mm. What was your first thinking when you see cold and feel what is this minus 50 degrees?
Wow, I just thought that maybe I'm going to die or maybe I'm not going to survive. But as they say, that a person can get used to anything or you can adapt. I managed to adapt. You just need to dress warm. That's it.
Mm-hmm. What do you think about weather is today?
Oh, today it's spring. It's spring. You can see that's why we're even standing outside. It is warm now. It is warm. You can see I'm not even covering my head with this.
Mm-hmm.
So that means the weather is excellent.
What temperature today?
Today, let me check. It's about minus 20. Let me check.
Okay.
Yeah, minus 20.
Minus 20.
Yeah.
It's the beginning of summer.
Summer, the temperature?
In
Yeah,
Yakutia,
yeah. Summer is around the corner.
what you say people who want to visit Yakutia?
Guys, if you are watching this video wherever, however, whenever, whatsoever, I recommend you to visit this place because you are going to experience something that you've never experienced in your life before. Here life is very interesting. There are so many places that you can visit. I recommend you. Yeah, because if you've watched most of the videos, YouTubers are constantly coming to this place because there are so many miraculous things that you can see and visit.
Okay, and last question, what do you think about Yakut people?
Yakut people, they are kind, generous, warm, and
Warm? What do you mean?
teplые люди. They
Warm
are warm
people.
people. Yeah. Welcoming. in
Friendly.
short. Friendly, yeah.
And what is your future in Yakutia? What do you think?
My what?
Future, what is your plan
My
to
plans?
be here?
My, yes.
Yes.
My plans, since this year I'm graduating, I will go home so that I show the people, like I show people, like the people of Russia or Russian people, how we live in Africa. That's my future. Of course, I'm planning to come back.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Oh, you're welcome. Bye.